How to fix bad network request error in Discord. 1. Exit, then restart the Discord application. And restart your PC or mobile device. 2. Check, then improve your internet connection. Hints. 1. Disconnecting. Reconnecting your Wi-Fi. 2. Backing up, then resetting your router. Check Discord's social media page in the meantime. 3. Check your firewall settings. Ensure your security software allow Discord through its configurations. 4. Turn on/off your VPN. 5. Wait until the error disappears.